This is a geometry problem. It is from June 2017. It's question 15, paper 3, Edexcel specification. We are given a triangle and we know the area. It's given area of the triangle ABC. And we need to find the value of x, where x are um, in the side, the sides or the lengths of the sides of the triangle are expressed in terms of x. So we have two sides, AB and BC, in terms of x, and the angle between them. Uh, and it is asked to find the value of x if the area is given. Now you can try to do yourself the problem, turning the video off, and then when you're done, you turn it on and compare to my solution. Okay, here is my solution to this problem. First, I'm gonna write the formula for area of a triangle, knowing two sides and angle between those two sides. So the formula is this. The product of the two sides, or half of the product of two sides, times sine of the angle between the sides. Now, in our case, we have the area of ABC equal to half times 2x minus 1 times x plus 3 times sine of 45 degrees. Now we can work it out a bit, and we have 1/2, and those two, if you multiply, expand the two brackets, we have 2x squared plus 6x minus 3 times sine of 45 degrees is square root of 2/2. We're going to use this value instead of some decimal number because it's better to work right now in this way. Because we have now area of the triangle, it's given, so we can have an equation here. So instead of area of ABC, we can replace it, substitute by 6√2. It's given here. And we have this equation. We can simplify by divide everything by square root of 2, and then we get a bit better expression for that. Multiply 4 times 6 is 24, 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. And if we work it out, transfer 24 on the other side, we have 0 equals 2x squared plus 5x minus 27. When we move a term from one side to another side, we are allowed to do that, but we have to change the sign. So that's what I did. But I wrote this part first equals 0. So that's the quadratic equation that we got. Now to solve it, it's better to use quadratic formula. So it's minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times 2 times minus 27 divided by 2a, 2 times 4. So if you calculate that, do the calculation under the square root, we have 241. And then we have two values, but x, we know that x has to be a number such that 2x minus 1 has to be positive. So that means x has to be greater than half. So cannot be negative. So we are going to take only the value minus 5 plus square root of 21 over 4. So if that's the case, we get the value minus 5.13. Now the question asks for three significant figures. This is just right? We took exactly three significant figures, and that's the answer for the problem. Here, I wrote it both solution, but it is not acceptable, this one, because negative, this is a minus 5 plus, that's it. And the value that we get is 2.63. So when you solve it, you want to make sure that the value for x is acceptable. Okay, that's what it is. Okay.